Well, let's take a look at how you can generate a tailored list of debate topics for students using the UNI Global AI Copilot. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a simple form to complete. Start by selecting the student type of study. Here, we've chosen undergraduate. Next, specify the year of study. This is set to Year 2. Under Broad Areas for Discussion, we've entered Role of AI in International Education and Ethics to define the general theme for the topics. You can select a preferred language, model, and word count if you'd like. Once those details are in, just click the Generate button. After a moment, the system generates a tailored list of debate topics based on your input. Now, looking over to the right-hand side, we can see the result. This set of draft ideas explores ethical and practical questions around artificial intelligence in education. From the role of AI in improving access to privacy concerns, curriculum development, and human interaction in global classrooms. Each topic is written clearly and provocatively to spark meaningful classroom discussions and critical thinking. Once the content is generated, you can edit it directly, export it to a Word document, or copy and paste it into your own materials.